Good morning, guys. Welcome to another video. I hope you guys are doing good. So today I'm going to show you day in the life of a Nigerian full-time student. I'm going to class right now. I just dressed up, and yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Peace. Right now, my brother wants to go and dance, so we're going to look for a location to dance before next lectures. Going on like that. Black book.
Right now, we are going to church. Don't mind my funny face. We have church service this evening, so we're on our way.
What's up, guys? So um I'm back from church. We are back from church now. Yeah. And we are going to night class. We are going for night class. I want to go and read inside school because there's light inside school. So I want to go and read and do some work on my PC. So I will be there overnight till tomorrow morning. And yeah, but before then we'll eat. We'll get something to eat. Then we'll enter school. And then yeah. So see you guys later.
We have been working for some hours, I think 3 hours now. So I decided to stand up and stretch my leg. These are other guys reading and working. So I'm going out now just to relax a bit. and this is inside one of our faculty buildings in school.
What's up, guys? Good morning. It's very early in the morning, around 5, and we are going back home. Yeah, it was a long night, so I'll see you guys soon. What's up, guys? So I just got back home from school. I'm feeling so sleepy. I want to go and sleep. I want to go and sleep right now. Yeah, yeah. So this should be the end of this vlog. This is the end of the day. This is today is Saturday. It's another day. Um, we have done with our exam. Exam. We're done with our tests this week. This week is the last week of lecture. By next week is our lecture free week. So next week is a lot of reading for exams, and then we are starting our exams the following week. So everywhere is really getting serious now. We are trying to read to prepare ourselves for the upcoming exams, focus on school right now, and get those grades up. And yeah, after exam, next semester is IT. I've just started looking for some placement. I think I'm 400 level second semester, so we're going on IT soon. But before that, I'm focusing on exam right now. And yeah, that's what is going on right now. No much time for gym, reading, even work, even creating YouTube videos. There's not too much time for that. Everywhere is really tight right now. So just updating you guys on what's going on. And yeah, I made my last two vlogs, my last two Life of a Student series. I told you guys about this light that I bought from Jumia. You should see it somewhere here now. I'll play the video. Yeah, so some of you might be wondering that where is this light since, because you're supposed to be seeing it in my videos by now. But I forgot to give you guys the update in the last vlog. But well, what happened was that the light stopped working. It just stopped working. It didn't work again. Just like that. So I had to return it back ASAP. And then I was thinking of getting another one. Then I changed my mind. I was thinking of getting some other different things. I've not yet gotten what I want to get yet, with the money. But I've returned that light back. It's not with me again. So I don't know. It just stopped working. I didn't come on again. It just stopped working. So I had to get it back and get my refunds. Okay, guys. So yeah, that's basically it. I want to watch movie, just small movie, and go and sleep right now. Feeling sleepy. I'm tired, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please, if you did, give me a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Please pray for us, wish us luck in our exams. Pray for me, wish me luck. I know I'll read well, sha, and I'm coming out, I'll write very well. So yeah. I'll see you guys soon and bye.